Okay, let's try this again. Good evening, everyone. We can get a little more energy, Delhi. Good evening, everyone. Much more like it. Thank you so much. Such a delight to be seeing each one of you. So, firstly, thank you so much for taking out the time and joining us. Today, we're surrounded by industry leaders, trailblazers, entrepreneurs, innovators, and even change makers. All of you have contributed in your own way to have a very well deserved spot here. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Ridhima Bhatnagar, and on behalf of Femina, it is an absolute honor, pleasure, and delight to be welcoming you to an evening of inspiration and an evening of celebration. Today, we have innovation meeting impact, and we'll have excellence take center stage. With that, it is such an honor, as I said, to be welcoming each one of you to Femina Achievers 2026 North. I think that deserves a huge round of applause. It is so good to be back in the national capital. This is my second time hosting this, so I'm extremely excited to be back and taking the stage and seeing each one of you. So that really fills my heart. Really, from the bottom of my heart, we thank you once again. But tonight, recognition finds reward. Achievements are met with applause, and stories of strength, spirit, and success are celebrated, and rightly so. But before we begin, it is only fitting that we acknowledge the vision that makes evenings like these possible. You would all agree with me when I say this. For more than 6 decades, Femina has been a powerful voice of empowerment, championing ambition, shaping narratives, but most importantly, creating platforms that inspire progress and change. Femina is a part of the worldwide media within the Times Group, led by the visionary leadership of Mr. Vineet Jain. Worldwide media houses iconic lifestyle and entertainment brands such as Filmfare, Grazia, Good Homes, and many more. But today, as I said, we're here for something very, very special. We're here for an evening of celebration. Today, we all come together and we honor those who lead with purpose, impact, and intent. In a short while from now, on this stage, we will celebrate exactly those individuals who've not just succeeded, but they've redefined success in their own path. They're trailblazers, as I said, and visionaries who embody the spirit of North India, setting benchmarks, breaking barriers, and creating lasting impact. So, this is not just an award ceremony, but this is very rightly a celebration of leadership, influence, and legacy. Because the platform today is not just about honoring excellence, it's about inspiring the next generation of not just dreamers, but doers as well. So, once again, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to Femina Achievers 2026 North. Thank you so much. That's the kind of applause, enthusiasm, and excitement that we really need as we move forward. As we kickstart the official ceremony, I'd like to now take this opportunity to invite Ms. Primrose D'Souza, the Managing Editor, Femina, to kindly join us on stage to share a few more words and for us to know a little more about this endeavor, please.